You don't have money to spend on Japanese learning? It's okay. You can still learn Japanese anywhere you live in. Hello guys, it's Nick here. Today I'm gonna share you the free Japanese studying materials. All of the links for the websites are in the description box so you can start learning right away. Alright, let's just dive into the main part. Let's go. First, I'm gonna share about Japan Foundation. I shared about this organization in the past video, so you can check it out from here. Is it here? So, JF. You can see your current level on JF Standard, and also some of contents are completely free, and you don't even need to sign up on the website. It's convenient, right? And in the Japan Foundation, you can see Erin's challenge. And this is a British girl. Erin comes to Japan to study Japanese, and you can see how she learns Japanese in there. And there's also Hiragana and Katakana table. And when it comes to Katakana, you can download the Katakana Note that you can actually practice writing, and also shows you how to write Katakana properly. Alright, next, free kanji drills. Yes, I guess this is what you were expecting. And here it is. This website only available in Japanese, but can you see the numbers right here? This stands for grades. You can download kanji drills that we learned on grade 1 through 6. These kanji are all regularly used in daily life, so you should download this. Alright, next, Kanji Note. Why I'm sharing this? So, when we were in a school, we used a particular note to learn kanji. This is right here. This is what the Kanji Note look like. You see the block right here, and you write in this block individually like this. Hiragana and kanji, and also how to read kanji. Do you find any favorite kanji in this page? Let me know on the comment box below. Alright, lastly, JLPT site. Did you know you can actually download the part of past JLPT test. You can see right here, you can download each levels, but remember, part of the past test, not whole test. Okay, so you probably think these are not enough to improve your Japanese skills. That's right. So what do you think the best way to improve your Japanese skills faster? Let me know in the comment box. That's right. Talk to the native Japanese speakers. But Japanese are usually known for shy, so they won't correct your mistakes. That's also right, but I'm not. Well, I won't correct mistakes every time you make, but you can ask me to do that if you want, because I'm on a training to become a professional, qualified, and certificated Japanese teacher. So here's the good news for you. Who do you want to get a free qualified Japanese session? And who do you want a place to ask about what you're struggling with Japanese learning? Well, here I am. I'm not certificated yet, but I have knowledge for teaching Japanese. So here's my offer. First 5%. First 5, not 10. 5 person who subscribed on my channel, then
comment on this video hashtag Japanese learner, then follow me on my Instagram or Twitter. Then let me know that you subscribed on my channel on Instagram or Twitter. I'll leave the link for my Instagram and Twitter so you can jump into there. Alright, if you think this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel so you won't miss any upcoming lesson and tips. Also, free Japanese lesson opportunity that helps your learning. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video or in a free Japanese session. ありがとう。
So, Japan Foundation. Japan Foundation. You can see the current level on Japan Foundation. JF Standard. And also